Hi, following back up with you regarding your fire damage property. We spoke a few days ago regarding the offer. Yes, sir. How you doing? Okay, awesome. Appreciate you picking up here. I just wanted to get reconnected with you now that we have some feedback from our GC on scope of work and where we're at. Let me pull down the notes here. So, okay, hopefully this won't be too much of a surprise for you all, but obviously it's pretty much it's obviously like a tear down. Project is really bad. The project it's tight on numbers on us. Finance was debating making an offer because we aren't sure where you all are at, but just based on the condition now and us covering closing costs and escrow fees, for us to be comfortable taking on the project, we'd be at an offer of $6,300 to you all.
Well, yeah, let me just take that. How much time do I have to make that choice?
We don't like to put like a rush on you all. Ideally, we like to know within like 2 days. So I would say preferably by end of week, just because we're making other purchases. So like that affects our allocation. Right. But yeah, preferably by end of week.
Okay, good. Because I was with my mom the last couple of days, but I'm actually back on the road, so I need to give her a call and chit chat.
Yeah, you're in the car right now, right? I think I can tell.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's still a good number considering the scope of work. So.
Right.
But yeah, you said 6,300, right?
Yeah, 6,300. I'll send over a text with that as well, so you have it. And yeah, just keep us posted. Like I said, preferably before in the week, we'll cover closing costs, escrow fees, and try to get closed up as quickly as possible. Obviously, after the title work's back.
Right. Okay. Perfect. All right. I'll be on the lookout for that text.
Awesome. All right. Appreciate the time. We'll talk soon.
Thanks, man.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, guys. So just gave that offer on that property, which is located in Arizona. It's a tear down property. So we gave about 25% of the land value because obviously, as you guys know, property when it's a tear down, it's got to be demoed, and you got to factor in the price for demo. And if you're looking to obviously look for a buyer, you got to factor in the demo plus a little cushion for yourself as well. So the offers, especially those lower offers, do not always go like that. But as you can hear, the property is actually his mother's property. He's helping out his mother, so he's gonna give her a call. He seemed to think that it was reasonable. Not saying that wasn't reasonable, but sometimes I get cursed out over here, right? So you guys will experience that too, but I'm gonna go send him a text offer right now. I will follow up with him in 2 days. Today's Wednesday, so I'll follow with him on Friday morning if I don't hear back from him sooner. So, hey man, this is what we do. This is what we do. All right. Hopefully this video helped. As always, if you guys like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and tell us what you want to see. What do you want to see? Come on, make it happen. Acquisitions go out. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.